Hi everyone, I'm Kelsey with Two Structures Homes. I'm out here in Addington Farms and I want to take you through our Pine Bluff house. The address is 22455 Pine Bluff. This is in Addington Farms again, and Addington is in the Deer Creek School District in Edmond. The intersections of this neighborhood are Coffee Creek and Penn. This is the outside of the house. Let's take a look at the surrounding areas. That's the Deer Creek Elementary, Prairieville Elementary, and there's a path to get there from that opening in the fence. This house is 4 bedrooms, 4-car garage. This house has 4 bedrooms, has 4 bathrooms, and then it also has a powder bathroom. This front door is an iron door. It's 8 foot. With some frosted glass. You first come into this foyer space here. We have wood look tile. Here on the right is a coat closet. We go this way to the main living space, and then we go this way to the first bedroom and your powder bathroom. So we did square pedestal sinks in here. We have these frame mirrors, some cool modern light fixtures. We did crown molding in this home. This first front bedroom, you have the double windows there. You have a double door closet. And this bedroom has its own bathroom over here. In this dining space, we did a really cool light fixture. It has chrome and that clear detail. We did crown molding in here as well. This way is the garage and laundry room. We'll go that way in a moment. Just wanted to give you a good view of this main living area. Now, if you go down that hallway, you have the primary bedroom and then stairway up to the bonus room and bathroom. And then this is 2 bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bathroom. Our living room here, we have the ceiling fan. We did the stacked stone with the mantle. We have a gas fireplace with logs. We did that stacked stone across this entire wall here to the ceiling. And we have a 3-panel sliding glass door to the back patio. This is a really nice sized back patio. And look at the backyard. This is your backyard out here. This is on septic. And the view of the back patio. This is the primary bedroom. Now we're in the kitchen area. We have the drop-in gas cooktop. We have your oven here and microwave. We have pull-out pot and pan drawers. Those are on soft close. Then we have your pantry. And this is where the refrigerator would go. We did a stain on the island with a drop-in stainless steel sink. You have a Kohler chrome faucet. This is 3 cm quartz here. Did a pull-out trash bin and more drawers for silverware and other utensils there. From the kitchen, we're gonna go down this hallway to bedroom 2 and 3. We have nice size walk-in closets here. All these bedrooms come with ceiling fans. Here's the Jack and Jill. We have the center set faucets again, square undermount sinks, and this is 3 cm quartz as well. Here's the water closet. We put the tub in here so you can close it away and 2 can use this space at the same time. Oh, I forgot to turn the light on in here. This is the other bedroom. That window overlooks the side yard. You have double doors on this closet here. In the hallway, we have a good size storage. So this could be an extension of your pantry or just an extra big linen closet. We're back in the main living area. We're gonna go down this way and we're gonna go see the bonus room. staircase is extra wide, and we did upgrade the carpet on these stairs, and we trimmed them out nice with those treads. For the stairs, you have attic access here. I'm not sure. Oh, here's the light. So some extra storage space. You have the 2 Lennox furnaces. Okay, continuing up those stairs. Here's the bonus room. We did 4 extra LED lights in here. You have the ceiling fan. Huge space. You could do a lot with this room. Make it a media room, a playroom, workout room. And it has its own bathroom up here, full bath. Again, with the same features as the others. Okay, we're gonna head back down the stairs and go across that hallway there to the primary suite. Here's your primary suite. This would be a great wall for the TV. We have a really beautiful accent wall here with that chevron design. Like I said earlier, you have the patio door from the primary bedroom. And then over here is the primary ensuite. Let's go check it out. Some storage cabinets here, a water closet with the cabinet over the stool. We have some nice top mount vessel sinks, framed mirrors, a cool two-tone light fixtures there with black and gold. And then you have your walk-in shower, wet room with the freestanding tub. If you'll notice, we did the black Kohler fixtures in the master, or in the primary suite. The window overlooking the backyard, even though it is frosted, you still get that natural light. In the 4-car garage, you have your sprinkler system that comes standard with this house. You have the garage door openers. Over here is the closet with the Rinnai tankless water heater. And then here's the other 4-car garage. We have your storm shelter cutout. You got your electrical panel in there. Great lighting in these garages. And then this is a insulated garage door on both of these. That wraps up this tour. This house, again, it's in Addington Farms, 22455 Pine Bluff. It's a 4-bedroom house with 4 bathrooms and a half bath, 4-car garage. And then you get this beautiful interior. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much. Bye.